Have you ever had this moment? Someone asks you a simple question in English. Maybe they say, "Hi, how are you?" And suddenly, your brain freezes. You know the words. You studied grammar. You watched many English lessons. But when it is time to speak, nothing comes out. Or maybe something else happens. You start translating in your head, English to your language, English again. And while you're thinking, the other person is already talking about something else. The conversation moves on, and you feel frustrated.
If this happens to you, please relax. You are not bad at English. You are just missing real conversation practice. Many learners study English for years, but they do not practice real speaking situations. That is exactly what we will do today.
Today, you will learn English the natural way, through real-life conversations. First, slow practice, then natural speed practice. And most important, you will speak with us.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Noah. And today, we are going to help you practice real English conversations.
But don't worry, this is not a classroom. There are no difficult grammar explanations today. Think of this video like sitting with two friends practicing English together, maybe drinking coffee, maybe relaxing at home.
And remember something important. You are not here just to listen. You are here to speak. When we say repeat after us, actually repeat. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, even if you feel shy, speaking is the fastest way to improve.
Exactly. So relax your mind, take a deep breath, and let's start our real-life English conversation practice.
Imagine this situation. You enter a room, maybe a class, maybe a meeting, maybe a new workplace. Someone smiles and says hello. Let's listen to the conversation slowly first. Slow conversation.
Hi there, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Noah. Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, everyone here is very friendly.
That's good to hear. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, nice. I've always wanted to visit Pakistan.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Ready? Hi, I'm Noah. Nice to meet you. Again. Hi, I'm Noah. Nice to meet you. Great job.
Now repeat this sentence with me. Is this your first time here? Again. Is this your first time here? Excellent.
Useful phrase breakdown. Let's look at some useful phrases. Phrase number 1. Nice to meet you. You say this when you meet someone for the first time. Example. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Very polite, very common.
Phrase number 2. What about you? This phrase keeps the conversation moving. Example. I'm from Canada. What about you? Repeat with me. What about you? Great.
Now answer this question out loud. Ready? Where are you from? Say your answer. Example. I'm from Turkey. I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. Perfect. You just spoke English. Now imagine another situation. You continue the conversation and you want to ask about someone's job. Let's listen slowly.
So Noah, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work with digital art. What about you?
I'm an English teacher. I help people learn English online.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I love helping people learn.
Practice time. Repeat after me. What do you do? Again. What do you do? Good. This means what is your job? Next phrase. That sounds interesting. Repeat. That sounds interesting. Perfect. This phrase shows interest and politeness.
Curiosity moment. But here's something important. Many English learners make one mistake. They try to speak perfect English, but perfect English is not necessary. Communication is more important.
Exactly. Native speakers make mistakes too, every day, but they keep talking. That is the real secret. Imagine this situation. You are sitting in a coffee shop. Someone sits next to you. You start a small conversation. Slow conversation.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. Do you come here often?
Yes, I like the coffee here.
Me too. The coffee is really good.
Speaking practice. Repeat this sentence. Is this seat free? Again. Is this seat free? Good. Next phrase. Do you come here often? Again. Do you come here often? Excellent.
Now let's hear one conversation again, but this time at natural speed. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Noah. Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, everyone here is very friendly.
That's good to hear. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, nice. I've always wanted to visit Pakistan.
Listening challenge. Did you hear this sentence? I've always wanted to visit Pakistan. Repeat with me. I've always wanted to visit Pakistan. Great job.
Here are 15 daily English phrases you can use every day. Repeat with us. Nice to meet you. How are you today? Where are you from? What do you do? What about you? That sounds interesting. Really? That's great. I understand. Good idea. No problem. Of course. I agree. Maybe later. See you soon.
Practice these phrases daily. Your English will start to feel natural.
Here is a powerful exercise. Speak to yourself in English. For example, repeat after me. Today I woke up at 7. Again. Today I woke up at 7. Next sentence. I drank coffee this morning. Again. I drank coffee this morning. Perfect. Talking to yourself trains your brain to think in English.
Let's talk honestly for a moment. Many learners feel shy when speaking English. Maybe someone laughed at your accent. Maybe someone corrected you too much. Maybe you felt embarrassed. But remember something important. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner, just like you.
Fluency is not talent. Fluency is practice. Little practice every day, small improvement every week, and one day you suddenly realize something amazing. You are thinking in English, speaking naturally, understanding conversations.
If you want to improve fast, try this simple routine. Only 10 minutes a day. Step 1. Listen to a short English conversation. Step 2. Repeat the conversation out loud. Step 3. Speak about your day. Example. Today I woke up early. I went to work. I watched YouTube. Simple sentences, but powerful practice.
Mini speaking exercise. Repeat after me. Today I practiced English. Again. Today I practiced English. Now say this. I am improving every day. Excellent.
Learning a language is like learning to walk. At first, it feels slow. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you make mistakes. But every step makes you stronger.
The important thing is simple. Do not stop. Speak a little English every day. Even 5 minutes helps your brain grow.
Before we finish today's practice, we want to ask you something. Tell us in the comments, where are you from? And write one sentence in English. Example, I'm from Brazil. I am learning English every day. We read your comments and we love seeing our global English community.
If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We post new English conversation lessons every week. Lessons that help you speak confidently, understand real conversations, and stop translating in your head.
Remember something important. Fluency does not come from studying English. Fluency comes from using English.
So keep practicing, keep speaking, and we will see you in the next lesson.
Happy English learning!